Okay, so let's finish the remaining task, which is pretty much configuring the port security on F06. So first, at the very beginning, when this is idle, I have to type the console password let me in, since this is console port. When I type enable, I have to provide the password enable, which is this one. So I have to type ITSASECRET, right? So at the very beginning when this was idle, this is basically the console port, right? So you have to provide a password for the console port. Then for the for enabling, for that enable command, I have to type this password. Okay, and let's see. For the port security, I have to say go to configuration mode, and then interface FA06. So that's this port, right? And then I have to enable port security, right? And the next one is I have to set this LAN MAC address. Oh, only 2 unique devices are allowed to access the port. So your limit should be 2, your maximum limit. So switch port security maximum is 2. And then LAN MAC added to running configuration. So this is not a manual addition. This is like a LAN MAC address dynamically. So you have to say, and then it should be added later on to running configuration. So that's why you have to add sticky. Running configuration meaning you have to use a sticky. So switch port security MAC address, and then you have to say sticky. This means after you use this command, these 2 LAN MAC addresses will be added to your running configuration. That's mean by sticky. The next one is secure the interface so that a notification is sent when there is a violation, but this port is not disabled. So the option for this is what? Restrict. It's not a shutdown, it's not prevent, so it's a restrict. So switch port security violations, and the option is restrict, not shutdown. And I got 97. So the next one is oh yeah, next one I'm done. So next one is disabled unused port. So this is like a long list. Interface range FA01 through what? Through 6, right? So that's unused port. Oh, actually it's 5, sorry. The 6 is used here. So I have to say from I use a 6, right? So it should 0 to 5. And then the next one is FA07 all the way to 10, because what I use 11, right? I use 11 here. And then FA0 12 all the way to 17, and FA0 19 all the way to 24. And this is like a list of unused port, right? I'm going to shut down them all. So the finally unused port is gigabyte 01, right? Because 02 is used for trunk port. So 1, right? Oh, is that right? Oh, yeah, 1. And then that's the interface. And then I have to shut down them all for the security purpose. Okay, so I got 100. So that's the end of this lab.